Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cap. C for cap. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. Green color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. D for donkey. D for donkey. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F for flower. F for flower. G for goat. G for goat. H for hand. H for hand. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. J for jug. J for jug. So kids, what we learned today? Red and green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Capital letter ABCD and small letter ABCD. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.